Hey everyone, did you know that some of the meat curing techniques used over a century ago are still being used today? Yep, we're talking about methods that can transform a simple piece of meat into a flavor explosion. Stick around, because I'm about to dive into the world of meat curing secrets that have stood the test of time. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the ancient art of meat curing. It's not just a relic of the past, it's making a serious comeback in kitchens everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious home cook, understanding these techniques can elevate your culinary game. So, let's get into why curing meat is not just a trend, but a time-honored craft that deserves our attention. Now let's address the elephant in the room. There are tons of misconceptions about meat curing. Many folks think it's all about using heaps of salt and waiting around for weeks, but the truth is it's so much more nuanced than that. Modern cooks often struggle to replicate those authentic flavors that our ancestors mastered. You might find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there, or intimidated by the idea of handling raw meat. But don't worry, I'm here to break down those barriers and help you understand that with the right knowledge and techniques, you too can create delicious cured meats at home. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Traditional curing techniques have evolved over the last century, and they vary by region and culture. You've got dry curing, wet curing, and even smoking, each with its own unique flavor profile. Some key ingredients include salt, sugar, and various spices. Think black pepper, garlic, and even juniper berries. And let's not forget the tools. A good quality knife, a scale for measuring, and sometimes even a curing chamber. These methods have been perfected over generations, so you might want to take notes. For instance, did you know that the temperature and humidity levels can drastically affect the curing process? Getting those right is key to achieving that deep, rich flavor that everyone loves. Now here's the good stuff, a crucial tip that can elevate your home meat curing to a pro level. Use a curing salt that contains sodium nitrite, like Prague Powder No. 1. This not only helps preserve the meat but also enhances the color, giving it that appetizing pink hue. Trust me, this little ingredient can make a world of difference, and will help you avoid any potential food safety issues. Combine it with your favorite herbs and spices, and you're on your way to curing like a pro. So to wrap things up, we've taken a journey through the fascinating world of meat curing. We've talked about the common misconceptions, explored traditional techniques, and discovered that secret ingredient that can boost your curing game. It's all about preserving these culinary traditions and keeping the art of meat curing alive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into meat curing secrets, make sure to check out my other videos on culinary techniques. And hey, I want to hear from you. Share your own meat curing experiences in the comments below. What did you try? What worked? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and happy curing.